Hello and welcome to Spindy's weekly linkage number 22. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. We start palm down with a pass from 1-2 to 1.23 with a finger cross of 3-1-2. The pass then continues to 1-3. The next trick can technically be called an inverse sonic reverse, but it's confusing because of the slots. The slots are 1-3 to 3-4 to 1-4. Which normally would not be an inverse sonic reverse, but there's still a finger cross, so it's different. After that, we complete a finger switch from 1-4 to 3-4 with an un-FC of 3-1. Immediately after, there's a pinky bust from 3-4 to 2-4, while we un-FC 1-2 and make a new finger cross of 4-3. Next is a pass to 1-2. The linkage finishes with a hand bust to 3-4, and we finally undo the 4-3 finger cross. This linkage is probably the first major finger cross combo and can be quite a finger twister to complete for some people. Thanks for watching. See you next week.